Good morning, Lions. Today is Monday, September 20th, 2021. Welcome to an awesome day of learning here at Lemoore Elementary. We know it's going to be a great day because you're going to roar like a lion. Respect, on task, achieve, and responsibility. And Lions, you just went through your passport day on Friday, so you know what it means now to roar. And so we'll be able to do some reminders, but you can't say, didn't know that. You now know how you're supposed to behave in all the areas around campus. All right, Lions, today's weather calls for sunny skies and a high of 90. The green air quality flag is flying, which means the air is good for everyone. It's a little cooler this morning, and if you haven't noticed, the sun is not coming up as early, and it's going down a little sooner. We still have over a month before we do a time change. That will happen in November, but you'll start to see the light in the day change a little bit, and it'll be cooler in the morning. So if you choose to wear some kind of a sweater or a jacket, just remember it's going to still be in the 90s all this week. Don't leave those things on the playground, okay? When you come in the morning, then leave them in your classroom so you can have them when you leave at the end of the day. All right, Lions. Birthdays. Today we have Damian Linos turning 6 in Miss Jengrass's class. Happy birthday. Attendance on Friday, 17 absences and 32 tardies. That was, I don't even think that's right. We actually had 26 absences. 26 absences and 32 tardies. That was 467 out of 493, which was 94%. Great job, Lions. We want to be in the mid to high 90s every day. All right, also this week, you will start and retake your STAR test so we can see what kind of reading progress you have made since the beginning of the year. So, Lions, stay focused. And remember that you take your time, right? Do the very best you can, but don't rush through it. All right, Lions. Also, a reminder, we need to make sure we're wearing our masks in our classroom like we're supposed to. And it is super important to wear your mask because we're not distancing in the classroom. So if somebody comes up positive and you are wearing your mask and they are wearing their mask, then you will not have to stay home. We can actually do what is called a modified quarantine. So extremely important to keep you here every day, Lions. All right, dress code reminders. We need to remember, and I think I will be starting tomorrow, reading off each area of the dress code because we have people not following. And I'm not talking about collared shirt. I'm talking about other aspects of the dress code. Remember, Lions, you cannot wear shorts that are cut off or frayed. No frayed shorts. And they need to be mid-thigh or lower. So that's your reminder for today about shorts. All right. And then next week is Parent Conference Week, which means we are early out all next week. Every day next week we get out at 1:25. We'll be sending a note home with you to remind your parents, but please remind them early out all next week. All right. And then finally, Student Council. Today, eligible students will be notified, and you can start working on speeches and posters. So you can get your posters up in the hallways. Remember, posters need to be clean, neat. They cannot be mean, and you cannot talk about anybody else. It's why you're qualified for the job. All right. And then speeches are due to Miss Ayala and Miss B by the 24th, so by Friday, so that we can record the speeches because Election Day is September 28th. All right, Lions. I think that is all I have for you. I do have, I can't remember if I read this. I already read this shout out, so never mind. All right, Lions. Have a great Monday. And remember, we are one school and we have one goal, and that's to learn every day. Success is not an accident. It's a choice. And I don't want you to make that choice today. All right, Lions. Now time for the flag salute.